So for video shooting, what we've done is we're leaving the protective coating on the glass. So make sure you remove this before you install your clips. I've installed 2 clips already, so all you're doing is putting the clip on. This is a 7/16 nut. Tighten it down to about 1 pound or 2 of torque. I've installed 3 clips. Then what you're going to want to do, 2 clips with the adhesive on the bottom. You're going to want to preset your Allen screws. And I've marked these just so that I know where they go. And I'll do it for this purpose. And again, you want to be careful tightening these. Just want to snug them up. You want to take your plastic rubber gasket. I've pre-cut this to the proper length. Comes a little bit long. And now insert your panel. Snap the clips together. You can peel your adhesive strips if you like, and it's installed.